I thought I was pulling over a criminal and got laughed at instead. I was on the night shift and was specifically told to look out for a suspicious car that got away with robbing a gas station a few days before and was dealing drugs. It was 2 a.m. and I happened to see a car that matched the exact description. I started following him and it seemed like he was trying to evade me. He drove all the way to an abandoned building until I flipped my lights on. This was the sketchiest part of town, so I called for backup and said I found him. I slowly walked up and all I saw was an old man sitting alone with a ton of plastic bags full of something in the back. I asked him what he was doing and all he says is, "I'm just here to feed the cats." I think, yeah sure buddy, nice try. I told him to step out and was sure this was him. Just as I took my handcuffs out, he again tells me he just wants to feed the cats. I'm like, okay, well where are the... And before I could even finish my sentence, boom, 50 cats all come running out of the woods and up to us. He looks at me and says, "May I?" I took the cuffs off and he takes out a ton of little baggies full of cat food. All of them go absolutely crazy. 2 more police cars come racing up to us, ready to bust a very dangerous drug dealer, but all they see is me and this old man being absolutely swarmed by hungry cats.